So here it is in practical application. So this is a 6 millimeter rod, and that's a 6 millimeter hole with an 8 millimeter shaft on the end for one of these magnetic bearings. Ceramic bearings. I have to take this off though and get it so I can push it down further. So one of the things I need to test out is these bearings aren't exactly 8 millimeter ID, so I have to make them a little bit smaller. But nothing that a little filing can't work off. You know what I mean? A little filing, but it works perfectly. And right now on the printer is kind of two of these, but with the cutouts, with 4 cutouts for the magnet. So instead of doing just a big shaft, I did 2 of these with a 6 millimeter hole through the center. But yeah, that came out good. Just a little bit, and these ceramic bearings are off the hook good. So yeah, all I got to do is just file this down a little bit, and boom, boom. See, little file work, and it works perfect. Damn, focus, you son of a bitch. So yeah, that was one of the things that I wanted to print out. Instead of buying it, you can buy sleeves that are kind of like this, but or maybe make one out of a plastic straw or something, but this is so much better. Oh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I'm going to be able to build anything I want in any type of design. So yeah, and I'm building some housings that are kind of just like a big L bracket with a 22 millimeter hole for these bearings, and I'll run this guy on there. Ciao. I know I keep showing you guys this, but yeah, look at that. Both of them are on there now. All I got to do is build the housing for it, and we'll see how the first 3D printed motor works.